Right, so this is a review of the Batoca DA polisher available on Amazon, eBay, etc. It's obviously a Chinese one, and it come in at £100. I'm expecting average result if I'm honest. I just washed my classic 1984 Porsche, and the paint is very dull, so I'm hoping that this will breathe some light into it. So let's have a quick look inside the box and see what we actually get with our £100. So it looks like an instruction manual and air freshener, so that's quite cool. And microfiber cloth. We've got pads, lots and lots and lots of pads, which is nice. Looks like quite soft ones in there, and I think that's just the same again, so that's cool. Again, a nice soft one there. Stand up. So it looks like there's a couple of packs of bonnets as well to go on the polisher. The grip as well. Handle. So that's obviously the 6-inch pad. Actually, it's a sanding pad on it, which is quite interesting. Guessing they are for probably going to be to fit the handle to it. And then inside the box, one Batoca. So we've got a couple of new brushes in there as well, which is quite nice. And then, like I say, the actual polisher. To be fair, it's heavy. It feels like a nice quality. It looks nice as well. Okay, so there's obviously the counterweight for the DA side of things, which is pretty nice. It's got a safety release as well. So yeah, let's get it put together and let's get using it. So it says you've got to put a spanner behind here, but there is literally no space to get one in it. Now, what I have found is that if you just hold the actual pad, you can tighten up the bolt that goes in, and that seems to have done it. So we'll see. Right, so yeah, so this is the Batoca Amazon special, whatever it is. We're going to give the Porsche the polish with it. I've got 3M Finesse it. It's really good stuff. It starts out coarse, and the more you use it, the softer it gets. So I've already given it a bit of a shake up. I'm just going to go with like 4 blobs. I have never done this before, so if I'm honest, I'm a little anxious. We should see what happens and just go with it. I'm going to start on this rear quarter. I've watched a few videos of people doing it. Hopefully get on the ride.
That's mental. How much difference that's made that quickly. You haven't even got all the polish off it yet. Let me just zoom into the logo on that, give you some footage of.
Okay, so let's put some on the
Yeah.
Safety set.
100%. That's mad. That didn't take that much.
No, and that's just
Obviously, it's probably not like a final, you know.
No. That's one light pass. I mean, I've got some real finishing polishes and stuff.
Yeah.
But it's just one light pass. So I think we'll do that for the whole car. Do one light
Oh,
pass
yeah.
on it.
It's gonna make such a difference.
So I'll finish this bit off. And then,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cool.
Stop that. So what can I say about the Batoca, or Batoca, however you want to pronounce it, 6-inch DA polisher. I think value for money, it's all right. I think if you go into it with an open mind, it's reasonably well made. You know, it's heavy. It's like 2 kilos. It's not. It's got reasonable control. You've got, so turn it on the switch on there, and then you can push that in. It keeps it powered on. Which again releases. You've got 2 different types of handles. I used it today with the larger sort of side handle on it, and then used the nubbin at the top, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, no real complaints, to be fair. A lot of people were saying it gets hot. I mean, what do they expect? It's, you know, it's going upwards of 3,500 RPM. It's going to get hot. It's always going to. In terms of what comes with it, I think it's got a reasonable selection of bits that came with it. So I think value for money, yeah. I'll put some clips in, obviously, to show you what we'd achieved with it today. And yeah, I mean, I'm happy with my purchase at the moment. I've only used it once, but we used it pretty much all day. And before we get the comments, I am fully aware that that bonnet has still got so many swirl marks and scratches in it, but we just weren't sure how far and how hard we could go on it. However, all of these photographs are completely unedited. That is exactly how it looked the day we finished, and I was so pleased with it.